Welcome back, children. I hope you all are fine. Today, I will revise with you the chapters we have done in past few weeks. That is, food, human body, the national flag, great leaders of India, comics, and Indian mythology. What is a food? Food is any nutritious substance that people eat or drink which provides support to human body for life and growth. Food contains essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. It is important to survive. Food usually comes from animals and plants. It is eaten by living things to provide energy and nutrition. A food is something that provides energy for activity, growth, and all functions of the body, such as breathing, digesting food, and keeping warm materials for the growth and repair of the body and for keeping the immune system healthy. There are 7 major classes of nutrients, that is, carbohydrates, fats, dietary fiber, minerals, proteins, vitamins, and water. In order to be fit and healthy, human beings should eat vegetables, fruits, whole grain, healthy fats, and healthy proteins. Water is an essential part of the body. Plants and animals are the main sources of food for all the organisms on earth. Food obtained from animals is the main source of protein and include fish, milk, meat, poultry and cheese. Whereas plants provide us with fruits and vegetables, which are an important source of fibers, proteins, and carbohydrates. What are plant based food? Plant based foods are generally classified into fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. Many byproducts of food are made from these food like bread, pasta, breakfast cereals, fruit purees, juices and jams, etc. What are animal based food? The food obtained from animals include beef, pork, meat, egg, milk and chicken. These food products are highly nutritious and rich in proteins and fats. Now children, let's revise human body. The human body is the structure of a human being. The important organs of the body include brain, lungs, heart, kidney, liver, stomach, intestine, bladder. Our body consists of two parts, external organs and internal organs. External organ consists of eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin, etc. Internal organs consist of the skeletal system, the muscular system, the digestive system, the breathing system, the circulatory system, the excretory system, and the nervous system. There are 5 sense organs in our body, that is, eyes, which help us to see, nose, which help us to smell things around us, ears, which help us to hear what is happening around us, tongue, which help us to taste things, and skin, through which we can feel things around us. Internal organs. The skeletal system has 206 bones present in our body, which are joined together to form skeleton. Skeleton provides all the soft organs inside our body. It also gives our body its shape. The muscular system. Soft parts of our body are called muscles. Some muscles are attached to our bones. Muscles pull our bones to make them move. The digestive system. Digestion is the process of breaking down the food into very small pieces. After digestion, the food are absorbed by the body to give energy. The group of organs which digest the food is called the digestive system. The breathing system. Nose, windpipe and lungs are parts of our breathing system. When we breathe, air enters through our nose and passes through the windpipe and enters the lungs. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed from the air and enters the blood. Through blood, oxygen is taken to all parts of our body. The circulatory system. The heart, the blood and the blood vessels make up the circulatory system. The heart pumps blood to all parts of our body. The blood goes around our body in blood vessels. The excretory system. The lungs, kidneys and skin made up the excretory system. The excretory system helps to throw out waste material from our body. Kidneys help to clean our blood. Skin helps to throw out excess water and salt in the form of sweat. When we breathe out, carbon dioxide is thrown out of our body by lungs. The nervous system. Brain and names make up the nervous system. Brain controls all parts of our body. It sends order to all parts of our body by sending messages through nerves. Messages from all parts of our body also comes to the brain through these nerves. Now let's discuss the national flag. India is our country. It is also known by the names of Hindustan and Bharat. India is a democratic country. Different religions of people like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh and Christians live together in harmony with each other. India is admired across the world for its rich culture and traditions. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is also the second most populated country in the world. Our country believes in the slogan, Unity in Diversity. India has unity in language, food, folk dance, clothes, cultures and traditions. Each country has its own national flag. We also have our own national flag. It looks very beautiful. The national flag of India is a horizontal tricolor flag. Tricolors are saffron, white and deep green. The saffron is at the top, the white is in the middle and the green is at the bottom. There is a chakra in the center of the flag. It is called Ashok Chakra. The saffron is the symbol of courage and sacrifice. White is the symbol of truth and peace and the green stands for faith, energy and courtesy. Ashok Chakra is the symbol of progress and growth. The national flag of India is hoisted on 15th August, 26th January and 23rd January. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Now let's revise great leaders of India. Father of nation is Mohandas Karamchand. He is also known as Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great Indian freedom fighter. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is known as Iron Man of India. He is remembered as a very strong and dynamic freedom fighter of India. He had actively contributed to the Indian freedom movement. Subramanya Bharati is known as Mahakavi Gandhi. He was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, and social reformer. Sarojini Naidu is known as the Nightingale of India. She was an Indian political activist and poet. Subhash Chandra Bose is known as Netaji. He was an Indian nationalist and his patriotism made him a hero in India. Rabindranath Tagore is known as Guru Dev. He was a legendary Indian poet. He was also a great philosopher, patriot, painter, and humanist. Lakshmi Bai is known as Jhansi Ki Rani. She was an unforgettable woman warrior figure in Indian history who was well known as the Queen of Jhansi. Jawaharlal Nehru is known as Chacha Nehru. He was the first Prime Minister of India and a great leader and a master builder of modern India. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is known as Lokmanya. He was one of the prime architects of modern India. Grand Old Man of India is known as Dadabhai Naoroji. He was a famous freedom fighter of India. Now children, we are going to revise comics. What is a comics? Comics is a medium that expresses narratives or other ideas using a series of still images, usually combined with text. It typically takes the form of a sequence of panels of images. Comic books are probably the most popular form of reading material for young people. Comics are meant to cause laughter. If you describe something as comics, you mean that it makes you laugh. Comic books entertain everyone. They also sometimes gives you new information and encourage everyone to understand and follow new things. Now let's discuss about Indian mythology. A story often describing the adventures of beings with more than human power that attempts to explain mysterious events or that explains a religious belief or practice. Indian mythologies are narratives found in Hindu texts such as Vedic literature, epics like Mahabharata and Ramayana, the Puranas. They are the stories about how the world was created and why certain things happen. To myths tell us about gods, heroes, and events that a group believes. Now children, I am going to give you few questions and you have to solve them in your copy. Question 1. Name a vegetable which is totally green in color. Question 2. What is grey stroke better known as? Question 3. When did the national flag flew into space? Question 4. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Question 5. Who is considered as the creator of the universe? Question 6. Name the phantom's pet dolphins. Question 7. What are the three colors of our national flag? And question 8. Name the most popular spice in the world. So children, I guess all the questions are easy and you can answer them nicely. So today we have revised the chapter Food, Human Body, the National Flag, Great Leaders of India, Comics and Indian Mythology. Thank you, children.